Respected Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, I rise to take part on the special discussion on Operation Sindoor in response to the Pahalgam attack on 22nd, 2025, April. Sir, before saying some words on Pahalgam attack, terror attack, first of all, I want my party, United People's Party Liberal, and my party leader, Pramod Boroji, pay homage to the departed souls of the victims of the Pahalgam terror attack. Sir, as soon as we received the news of terror attack in Baisaran Valley, our party officially condemned and stood with the government of India and support the retaliation action that the government has taken. India will never forget the 26 lives lost in terror attack in Pahalgam sponsored by Pakistan. Sir, the Pahalgam attack was pinpoint act of madness to destabilize Indian peaceful region Jammu and Kashmir. Sir, Pakistan has always been trying to destabilize India's peace and progress by sponsoring terrorists several times in Indian soil. Sir, Pakistan has always sponsored terrorist attack on pilgrims, our civilians, our famous hotels, attack on our defense personnel. Rather, Pakistan has no courage to attack India face to face. Instead, Pakistan has always been trying to attack India under the cover of terrorists. Sir, Pahalgam terror attack once again proves that Pakistan always sponsored act of terrorism. But let the Pakistan know that India has adopted zero tolerance policy in terrorist activities, and any act of terrorist will be treated as act of war. Our nation is united in handling the terrorists irrespective of differences in party lines. Sir, enough is enough. This is New India, led by dynamic world leader, Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji. India will not sit back anymore. I appreciate the determined leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in handling the Baisaran Valley terror attack, in taking strong, decisive, but smooth sailing of action on Pakistan in response to the terror attack in Pahalgam. Sir, I appreciate the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for a successful diplomatic exercise from preparation of countermeasures to action on terrorism, and also by sending all party high-level delegation to the various nations against the Pakistan's involvement in Pahalgam attack. Sir, I salute and stand with the Indian Armed Forces for the successful Operation Sindoor launched on 7 May 2025 in retaliation to the Pahalgam attack, where precise and targeted terrorist training camps at 9 different locations within Pakistan and occupied Kashmir were destroyed. This is a strong message to Pakistan and rest of the world that India is always ready to tackle any situation that threatens our national security. Sir, once again, I acknowledge and admit the Operation Sindoor, a strong and decisive retaliation to Pahalgam attack by Indian Armed Forces under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. My salute to all heroes who fought strongly on the borderline and made Operation Sindoor a grand success and made India a proud nation. Sir, I consider that Operation Sindoor has fashioned 3 important values of understanding. That is, number 1, India's military capability and self-confidence in our indigenously developed weaponry power to counter any act of war. Sir, number 2, defensive and offensive capability of India to protect our nation from external threat. Number 3, India's capability to grow up largest economic power in the world. इसके साथ मैं एक छोटा सा बात जोड़ना चाहता हूँ. सर, मैं आसाम से बोडोलैंड एरिया से आता हूँ. पर 30 सेकेंड. आज का दिन 30 जुलाई. आज का दिन में हमारा बोडोलैंड में एंटी टेररिस्ट डे पालन करता है. हम बोडोलैंड में 28 साल से एंटी टेररिज्म डे पालन करके आया हूँ. आज 30 जुलाई है और इसी के दिन में हमारा ऑल बोडो स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन का फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ये टेररिस्ट का शिकार हुआ था. इसके विरोध में आज हमारा एरिया में टेररिस्ट को खत्म करने के लिए हम काम करके आया है. आज भारत का प्रधानमंत्री इसका नियत एक डिसीजन हमको अच्छा लगा, हम सपोर्ट किया. टेररिस्ट जहां भी हो, जैसे भी हो, इसको खत्म करना है. आज पाकिस्तान हम टेररिस्ट को पालन करने वाला देश है. इसको खत्म करना है, टेररिस्ट को खत्म करना है. मैं प्रधानमंत्री को धन्यवाद देता हूँ. धन्यवाद सर.
अच्छे कार्य की सफलता की आपको शुभकामनाएं.